guys, I'm here in Tennessee.
Oh, you shot?
Hi, welcome to Tennessee.
Wow, what do you have here?
We've got some papaya salad going.
Audience, make some noise! Look at this bar. Wow. All the alcohol. The clear. Nice bar.
I felt like you knew we were leaving, so you wanted to
Tennessee, Tennessee.
Hey, yes. I see so much.
You want pho?
Oh, sure.
Okay, I'll make you one.
So yeah, I said go to the temple. I'm bringing the party.
That boss is cooking the meat. So good.
Hi, that's my daughter. Okay, sorry.
Papaya salad. Hi, Kayla.
Hello.
Hello. Yum. And what they have over here?
Are you buying this?
Wow. That looks so good.
We'll be at the temple. Come to the booth.
So good.
Gotta get all the juice.
I can smell the spices. It's sobering me up.
Is that mint or baby?
It looks like
I don't know.
That's mint.
mint. Oh my god.
Yeah, the mint.
It looks like basil though.
Dinosaur meat.